In this video, I'm going to teach you how to wash Lululemon Define Jacket. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly take care of your Lululemon Define Jacket. This will help it properly maintain the shape, fabric integrity, and overall lifespan. So first, always read the care label. This is important so you are aware of what can and cannot be done with your specific model of Lululemon jacket. So always check the specific care instructions on your jacket's label. It will provide the most accurate guidance for your garment. And always remember to wash with similar fabrics. So by washing the Lululemon jacket with other similar fabrics, like other athletic wear or similar fabrics, you will be able to make sure that no abrasive clothing, towels with zippers can snag the fabric. Always use cold water. So cold water is going to be the key to get a good finish. Always wash your Lululemon Define jacket in cold water because it helps to prevent shrinking, fading, and damage to the technical fibers. And avoid fabric softeners. So if you have any sort of fabric softeners, it is not recommended to use them here. They can often cause trouble for the finish and the jacket, so I would highly avoid them. They can coat the technical fibers, reducing their moisture wicking and breathability properties. And finally, skip the dryer. It's always important to hang your Lululemon jacket to dry. This will allow it to dry properly because high heat from the dryer can damage the fabric and cause shrinkage. So as long as you follow these steps, you will be able to maintain the finish of your Lululemon jacket and wash it properly. These are very simple general steps to follow, and remember to always look at the care label for your specific jacket. I hope I was able to help you on how to wash Lululemon Define jacket. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.